everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. I'm going to share a wonderful chicken curry recipe with a lot of flavors, and I'm also going to show you a nice special masala powder that actually enhances the flavors of this curry. So let's get started and check it out. I have taken 1 kilo of chicken for this recipe. The first step is to marinate the chicken with the masala. To the chicken, add 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder. Mix it all well till all the chicken pieces are completely coated. Let it sit for about half an hour. For preparing the masala powder to the kadai, add 3 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 piece of cinnamon, 8 cloves, 2 cardamom, 1 star anise, 1 piece of mace, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, half teaspoon peppercorns, and roast it evenly. Keeping the flame on low, roast it for about a minute. Once you get a nice aroma, add a tablespoon of poppy seeds. If you don't have that at home, you can leave this ingredient and do the recipe without the poppy seeds. 1 tablespoon of grated dry coconut. If you don't have the dry coconut at home, you can use the fresh coconut and dry roast it separately and add it along with the other ingredients. It's all done. Now switch off the stove, transfer it to a plate and cool it completely. Now transfer the roasted ingredients to a mixer jar and grind it all to a nice fine powder. If you freshly roast and grind the masalas like this for making this chicken curry, the flavors and taste will be very nice. Transfer the ground masala powder to a bowl and keep it aside. To a pressure cooker or a kadai, add 3 tablespoons of gingerly oil. I have added 2 large onions to a mixer jar and pulsed it twice to get a rough coarse mixture. Add the onions to the cooker, add 1 green chilli slit, saute it till the onions turn golden brown. Now add 1 tablespoon of freshly pounded ginger, garlic and mix well. Then add 3 tomatoes roughly chopped. Once the tomatoes have cooked nicely, add some fresh curry leaves and mix it all in. Add the marinated chicken to the masala and mix it all well. Since we have added a red chilli powder in this marination, I have added only 1 green chilli. You can adjust the quantity of the spice according to your taste. Mix the marinated chicken together along with the tomato onion masala. Once the chicken is half cooked or once the color has changed and it's no more pink, you can add the freshly ground masala powder to it. Mix it all together. Let this cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. Add 2 cups of water. It's a 250 ml cup measurement. Mix it well along with the chicken. Close the cooker and cook this for about 3 whistles on medium flame. After 3 whistles, turn off the stove. Once the pressure is released, open the cooker and let's see how it's turned out. The chicken pieces have cooked beautifully. Add a handful of chopped coriander leaves and mix everything well. There you go, here is this delicious and spicy village style chicken curry that's ready to be served nice and hot. This curry goes very well with rice, idlis, dosas and even parotas. I'll give you a couple of links to the other chicken recipes I've made earlier. Do check them out. The chicken curry has come out so well. It's time to taste. With some nice hot steaming rice. The flavors are just fabulous. There's one word for that. Oh my god, the flavors are just incredible. I'm telling you, you should try this. And if you're under the weather, this is the perfect curry that you will absolutely enjoy. So do give it a try. Let me know how it turned out for you guys and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.